playing full dive like Rush?
They're playing Sombra. No. But yeah, they've been very different every time.
Yeah.
Right.
Theirs was safer.
Yeah. Yeah, like Hammond counters us, but ours also gives height advantage. So
Yeah. Like I was
and also
theirs was
they played all 6 together, whereas we just played 5 with Nick flanking.
Right. What if you ran something specifically for their Sombra?
You can't.
So hard.
Junkrat.
Hanzo? I don't know.
Yeah.
Like for the detection, because if she loses her detection, she's counterable. That makes her strong, is
Wait,
that
they're
she can
calling
literally
GG?
disappear.
Yeah.
No, they're taking
Yeah.
the piss because one dude's leaving. That Nathan's just being that Nathan dude. Nah, that Andy's going because he has to go to bed or whatever, and then he's
Yeah.
Either way.
I'm going to bed. Good night, kids.
No, so.
So now Zach needs the naps.
No, already had my nap today. Yeah.
In a health nap today.
What even is this?
Select your hero.
Do we want to do the Torb thing that we did last time on this map? No? Okay. Fuck.
Sure.
Come on, let's bring it together.
You know what I really want? More fucking support and tank characters.
Wanna Blizzard's like, hold my beer.
Okay,
Meanwhile,
well,
Ash.
30 is probably going to be a support.
Ass.
Yeah.
Check this out.
Oh,
Even
definitely.
heal. How many ways can you really heal?
Exactly.
How many ways
Like-
can you shield and tank?
Viking Siege. How many
Oh,
ways?
Well, if they just take like a
Wait,
damage
why am I
character
sitting
and make it
here?
a healer, they just like
Yeah, I know. I don't know why I followed.
Sombra got on right.
Tracer.
Not Sombra.
It was Tracer.
Was it?
Diva, Hammond.
Oh. Oh,
Tracer.
I saw it.
Tracer. Yeah.
Oh, everyone's fallen back.
Yeah,
Sombra's top
they're-
right.
they're all here.
I've been hacked.
Charging.
Fine.
Ana's low. Got Ana.
Brigitte needs to find the back line.
Wrecking Ball. I'm hacked out.
Oh, I thought Wrecking Ball was with you.
Yeah.
Sombra's going up top right. She's like without trans.
I'm going back to high ground.
Go spot. Go.
Tracy's going up high ground. Tracer's left.
Yeah.
Fuck.
On me, on me, on me, on me.
Want the anti-nade? Fuck.
Tracer's out.
Get back, Zach.
Go down.
Yeah.
I'm hacked. Fuck
Oh,
me.
protector. You coming?
You're down one. You're down
I'm
two.
still hack.
Down two, no three.
I'm down.
Back out, Sam.
Let's up the tempo. Time for an encore.
He'll lead it.
Let's get you healed up.
sit way up back. Wait, can you pull back, Matt? I can't see you. There is where I can see you.
Well,
Trace is
that's
on me.
giving them a lot of free space.
I ain't going up there. There's about 3 of them up there. Yeah.
I'm going to the high ground. Follow me.
With Matt.
EMP. I don't know where it is.
No, I'm falling back.
There's 4 on cards.
I'm hacked.
I've got fuck no.
Oh, how did that get me? I
Wait,
was
where?
around the corner.
I thought you were out. Boostio. Yeah.
Can't get you, Matt. Yeet.
Ana's over.
Wrecking ball in the back line.
Hitting me.
I'm hacked.
Wrecking ball's in.
Oh fuck, I can't.
I'm hacked.
Down.
Well,
Had that shot not hit you.
Minefield.
I can
using
grab
grab
you.
here is a good idea.
Grabbing.
They're all
I've got
shattered.
Race is behind.
Got the diva.
Oh, that was close.
Did you get eaten?
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Oh, Ryan, yeah.
Oh.
Oh, there's Tracer's behind.
No one else go for it. I'm going for it.
I can't see. No, they're up front. Lucio's out front. Oh, the tanks are up top. Oh. Diva's round back now. Hammond's dropping, but
Hammond's going for you.
The Sombra's just been sitting on the high ground and getting free hacks on the team. That's unfortunate.
Trace is one.
Sombra's asleep and I'm back.
I need heals on right.
I'm
Good
hacked.
shit.
Honestly, got down.
nice.
Bad.
Ooh.
Dude, I think we're finally figuring out this Trace from Sombra thing.
Tracer's not too bad. I just have to, or if I can get close to it, then
Like, I don't care that we've been losing these because if we're figuring out how to deal with Sombra.
Yeah.
Like we could lose all of these and I'd be happy if we just knew how to deal with Sombra at the end of it. I can push up.
and Ana. Yeah, they're coming high. Oh, nice.
Later, bud.
Oh,
Yeah, be careful.
Winston's in deep on right.
Oh, I'm slept. Okay. I've got a grab.
can't see you, Matt.
He got out.
I'm waiting for him to see.
Healers are out.
Feel the healing beat.
They used EMP there, didn't they?
Yep.
Cool.
Diva top right.
1 sec.
Let's get you healed up.
Nano.
Diva's
Winston's
in.
on cart. Trace is on you.
Shattering. Hit.
Oh, nice. Oh, Lucio. Got him.
Check this out. I am on.
Oh, I kind of feel like shit talking.
What?
Fuck you, Tracer. You're garbage.
GR easy.
What?
Oh,
Wait, we don't get to attack?
oh, are they just? I don't know.
Yeah.
They probably did it and then like wait, that defense, and they're like, oh yeah.
Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
That just takes away our objective.
Let's do it.
Do it.
Just
What's
keep
the
your
third
backline
DPS?
safe, otherwise you're back. Die.
Me Doomfist? Okay.
What are you most comfortable on, Matt?
Yeah,
Of
what-
these three, Doomfist.
Come on.
Of
But-
dive characters.
I'm fine on Tracer.
Play Tracer then.
I can do Doomfist.
Yeah,
It's
that's
fine.
Doomfist.
If we want the Doomfist, I can do Doomfist.
Okay.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
I'll probably try and. I'll be like belowish and just get a hack or something.
Do we want 3 dive DPS though? I don't know.
Or have one of them stay in backline.
They kind of get left there on their own.
Junkrat!
It kind of works if you want.
I'm doing it. I'm
Yeah.
doing it.
These scrims are a time to experiment. So if you want to experiment, do it.
They're not on high
Oh
ground.
shit!
That was unfortunate.
Yeah, I saw it as well.
Oh,
Back left.
Yeah, they're all back left. I'm getting the high ground for me.
Ryan's in.
One side. Yeah.
I got Torb.
Diva.
Where's his half?
I need healing on point. Fuck. I have 7
David's half
health.
on point.
Torb turret down.
Thank you.
Junkrat's
That's-
really weak in the backline.
David's almost out of mech. David's out of mech.
Lucio hack up
Any
top.
healing?
They're up top. They're all real low. Arisa's over half.
Junkrat's coming for me.
He's in the trap.
Oh, I dodged it!
Nice.
Accelerate.
I yeeted it, but I'm gonna die anyway.
Ryan's in. Focus Diva.
Their honor's dead.
I'm half. Arisa's low. Arisa. Any healing?
Yeah, shit. Diva's still over half.
Oh fuck.
My ultimate ability is charged.
Yeah.
Special delivery on the way.
Welcome to Junkrat.
like a 4K or something.
No,
There
just
you
killed. He killed me, and he's like, "What? I'm literally firing at the sky."
Any healing
Yeah, I
on
can
top?
run him right now. Oh,
Shit, where's up?
Front. He's hacked.
Bring this Lucio over here.
There's a few of them. Diva hacked.
They're up top.
how many in that room?
We're gun Diva.
Fuck.
And above that,
Dead to that. Oh no, I'm not.
Diva hacked. Oh, sorry.
For me. Not me.
I walked in trap.
I'm down.
Junkrat's in there.
No, we wiped.
Yeah, I kind of ulted and heard the tire, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna die here.
I'm just getting started.
But then I was, Wow, you went really. Did anyone else see that?
Yeah.
He's just spamming bottom left.
Careful trap up here.
They're all on bridge.
Oh yeah, coming up. Yeah, I'm going back. Okay, ready, set.
Go. Win.
They drop
I got
below.
Ursa.
Fuck.
I'm coming to our.
I'm down.
Iron for low. Nice.
Oh yeah.
I 1v1 Hanzo and I won.
Nice.
I'm moving cart, so you need to come.
I'm flanking.
Matt, did she find you while you were ulting?
No, she just came up behind me
Oh,
because I didn't. I thought.
Health back in
all
here,
over
Zach.
would
Ursa's
be
in.
bad.
Ursa's in.
Junk on cart, junk. Lucius light.
Fuck's sake. Yeah,
Yeah.
How in theory? Oh,
because they
Because they
actually
reset.
restarted the match and we pushed past where they did.
right. Okay. I love Cam. We won. In theory. Ah, boy, was that confusing.
Technically, we won.
We have
How
the
do you-
moral victory.
I mean, no, we have the victory of
Yeah.
this map.
Take this.
Why are you taking a piss now? That's disgusting.
Not a piss. A
That
B
Barry?
piss.
Nope.
Nice.
The widow.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm
That's straight for you.
That's. Oh, Widow got me.
slept.
With a
Go what? Okay.
I'm switching off this one.
I'm just getting started.
Got the hog. Might try back this one.
Sorry, I also need ult charge.
See you around, Sam.
Oh, no.
Yeah, they got tanks up front. We got Anna and Lucio on
I got
cart.
the junk.
Junkrat's
They
in the
know.
left,
I
spamming.
had to take out his tire. His trap, sorry.
Do you want to ult from. I was gonna say. Ooh,
Widow's
Their shield is set up there. Yeah, I'm gonna keep shooting here so they still think we're here.
Anna's up top.
I got.
Okay, where's that widow? I see
I'll
it.
take-
I can't. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm poking Widow. She's not shooting.
Hog's behind. He's not behind.
Widow can shoot now. Watch out.
I'm going for the healers. Oh, no,
Orisa's
it's
trapped.
not.
Orisa's trapped.
Nice.
He's ulting from behind. Ulting from behind.
Yeah,
it's
got him.
going straight for me. Do you want to go Diva or?
Yeah, I need
I
healing
know,
guys.
I know we said Diva, but
Yeah, you feeling hog? Yeah, no worries.
Okay, if you keep, I don't have enough health to. No, I'm out.
The Junkrat spamming from right hand side, and
yeah.
Widow's right hand
On
side.
the left.
Take a law, get her.
I've got hack.
Take a law, got her!
Yeah, no one followed.
I'm coming.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna go fat hack towards cart.
Fuck.
Fucking cancer.
Getting healed by Anna. Rip, run away!
5 seconds. If we can touch our guys.
Yeet! Ah, I got hooked straight back.
Oh,
Bye.
We still won that.
Yeah.
got the drum.
Sorry about the sound. I had someone come in my room with a dog.
Water dog.
Water dog.
Water.